Hello to all of my fellow config goers. I was really inspired by Tommy Gioco's QR code lock screen, and I thought, hey, I know how I can make this easy for the community, so I thought I would make something so you all can do it too. So the first thing you need to do is head over to the Figma community and download the Simple Config Connect Kit. Now this will give you all of the templates and instructions that I use to create a website and create cool meta images and this QR code and this lock screen. So when you get in there, it's going to look like this, and there are just 4 steps to doing this. So let's start with the website. This is what my website looks like, and it's just a splash page with my image, my contact information, a bunch of links. I also have a cool gallery here. This is going to be filled with snapshots. These are from last year, and I'm going to load these up with snapshots from this year. Some more info about me, and then a contact form. And so if you want to use this template, you can clone this right from here, and it will look just like this, and you can start with this design. You'll need to create an account on Simple to host your website, but once you do, it will be loaded up in the editor, and all you have to do is edit these sections, just swap out your image, your bio, add in your links. And because you can do this on your browser or your mobile phone, what I'll be doing is updating this gallery from the conference, so uploading new pictures as I take them so that this gallery is up to date. And this contact form, you can configure the settings to send directly to your email. So you do that in settings, and that way anyone can message you and you'll just get that right to your email account. So once that's done and you have your site all set up, you can copy this link and come over to the QR code generator and paste it here. Then hit generate, and it's going to make this cool custom QR code for you, and you can download the SVG, the PNG, or the JPEG. Then back over in our Connect Kit, you can take that image and pop it right into this template that I've created for you. And this is perfectly sized for the latest iPhones, and it has space for the on-screen clock. And you can just swap out your image just by clicking on the fill here and choosing your image and swapping out your QR code. And that's it. Now you have your whole conference-ready kit with your landing page, your meta screen for your website, your QR code, and your lock screen for your phone. This is what my screen looks like on my phone. And that way, I don't even have to unlock it. I can just share this with people. They can scan it with their camera, and then we'll be connected. I hope you guys are excited for Config, and if you see me, definitely say hi. Can't wait to see you all there.